Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and in this video tutorial we will learn and explore the animations tab. So let's get started. So in my this presentation I have one slide and I have put four different objects. The first one is table, the second one is a shape, triangle, and the third one is also a shape, and the fourth one, this is the graph, but this is a picture. So there are different kind of objects available on the slide, and remember that animations can be applied on the objects or particularly on the slide. So in the last video of transitions we learned that transitions apply on the slide, whereas animations applied on the objects available on the slide. Okay, so when you click on the object, which is the shape triangle, you can see that now all these animations are now visible and available to be applied. So if you click on more button here on the right downwards, so this window will expand and you can find different categories available for applying the animation. So there is a category of entrance, then emphasis, and then exit, and also motion paths. So there are different kind of motion paths available as well, and these are not limited to there are more uh, animations available in all these categories. So if you click on more entrance effects, so a dialog window will appear and you can explore more entrance effects you want to apply for that particular object. So it's very easy. When you click on any of the animation, it applies on that particular object, and then you can do some more customization. For example, if you want to place this object animation on click, or with previous, after previous, or you want to uh, define some duration or delay, right? So you can do that as well, and each of the animation has some more effects available as well, so you can explore from by clicking on effect options. You can also apply the animations on table as well if you have any table on your presentation slide. So for example, if I click on wipe and if I go to the effect options, so there are multiple effect options and I can do some timing changes as well, right? So it's very easy to apply the animation on the objects available on the slide. So some of them are available. It's all depend that how you want to show your presentation and the object sequence to the audience with respect to each of the object, either it's coming as an entrance, or if you want to do some emphasis on any of the object, or you want to exit the object from the slide. So according to that particular sequence you select the category and the animation for that particular object, right? So it's very easy. I hope you will apply in your presentation. Thank you.